viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to also discuss about BRC-20 wallet. Yes, in this video we are going to discuss about how we can change the Bitcoin wallet addresses. Yes, you can also change your Bitcoin wallet address according to your desire. This is so simple and easy. In this video I am giving you complete information. So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And if I'm going to click on a video portion, so in last video we have discussed about DeepAll wallet and how to check the balance of our BRC-20 tokens. And also we have created the wallet of DRC, DeepAll wallet. If you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel and must watch these videos. This is last 3 videos about DeepAll wallet. The first video is how to set up DeepAll wallet, and second is how to mint DRC-20 tokens and how to check the balance of your all DRC token in your Explorer. And before in three videos, you can see here we have discussed about BRC-20 wallets, like how to set up, how to connect, and how to deposit, withdrawal, how to create a multiple wallet. Today we are going to change or generate new wallet address of Bitcoin for BRC-20 wallet. So simple and easy. And right top corner you can see here the plugin is installed at my browser. Now my wallet is going to open. I'm waiting. It's maybe again click on it. Now you can see here, when I was create account, so I have applied the password. If your password applied in your account, so your account will be safe. So you must apply password on your account like your bank account. Okay, so now I'm going to enter my password here, which is I apply or type. Now enter my password and click on unlock. Now my wallet is open in front of me. Unisat Wallet is shown here, and I have selected account number 1 and I have not any balance. And let's suppose I want to change the wallet address. Where is my wallet address? First I'm going to open the notepad file, only for your information. Now you can see here, and now this is my wallet address. Copy and paste here. This is my wallet address. And let's suppose if I need to change the wallet address like a legacy or many options available here. So first we need to change. You can see here in your wallet setting area available here. Simple click on it, setting area, and now I just simple click on extend view. Then you can easily view all my laptop screen, and again go to the click on setting area, and now open, and you can see here the first option is available here, address types. Address type, which address you are want to change or use. I just simple click on address type, and you can see here there's 4 options available. The first option is native, second nested, and third is taproot, and fourth is legacy. This time we have selected native because some subscribers sent to me message and they want to use other type of wallet addresses. So I think this video is going to very informative for that person who want to get this information. Okay, so this time I have selected native. Let's suppose I need to change other wallet address nested, so I just simple click on it. When I click on it, so you can see here the tick mark shown here on second line, not select on first line. And if I'm going to click on back button and now going to the copy my wallet address, go to the click on wallet set, just simple copy and open the notepad file and paste here. Now you can see here my both addresses changed. The first address native and second is nested. It's depend on you how can you change the type of Bitcoin wallet address from the Unisat wallet. So again open this setting area, go to the address type, and now the third option is tap root. Simple click on it and now select it. You can see here. And if you need to select a legacy, so you can click on this. You can see here I'm going to click on it, and if you need to check the wallet address same or not, then you will find the wallet address will be changed according to type. Copy and open the notepad file and paste here. Okay, you must type the name of all wallet addresses by the type. Let's go first address is uh, native, second nested, third is taproot, or fourth wallet address is, I'm going to also check the fourth name is, yes, legacy. The fourth wallet address name is legacy. It's depend on you. You can easily use any type of wallet address from these lists. So I hope viewers you properly understand. If you need to change your wallet address type from Unisat wallet and get the information from this video. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You must also visit my YouTube channel, click on video portion. You can see here I upload almost 1000 plus videos on this YouTube channel only for your information. So please back up me for these effort, and also you must watch the video about cryptocurrency according to your using pattern. Okay, so let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.